Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favor coming at you with another video on Obudu Mountain Resort. Thank you so much for the love on my previous video. Thank you for the feedback. I do appreciate it. So basically in this video I'm just going to be showing you what the rooms looked like when we were at Obudu Mountain Resort. So let's get to it without further ado. Hello, so this is where we stayed. This is like the back view of another villa, but this is called the Mountain Villa. Yeah, it's called the Mountain Villa. It goes for 75k, 80k for a night. Yeah, so let me just show you what the inside looks like right now. One more thing, make sure you watch this video to the end because I tell you all that you need to know to prepare for your trip at Obudu Mountain Resort. Don't forget to subscribe. I really love that it's made of wood. Okay, so this is meant to be like the dining area, that's the fridge and then the sink, but there are no kitchen utensils, so literally just use it for whatever you want to use it for. That's the staircase, that's the parlor, so maybe here is like another dining. Oh, so that other one will be like a kitchen table. Yeah, so this is the parlor. Lovely space. Okay, before I take you to the rooms, let me show you what the balcony looks like. Okay, this is the balcony. Like, the view is amazing and it's actually cold. I'm actually cold right now. Yeah, these are the seats. I'm hoping I can take some nice pictures here because I'm famished and this is our last day here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the embarrassing. Okay, so it's a 3-bedroom duplex, so it's mainly meant for families, but we wanted to have the experience, so we are here. Okay, this is a bit dark, but I hope you can see it. So this is what it looks like. This is what the bed looks like. That is the room warmer, a TV, the wardrobe, and then this is the bathroom. So the 2 bathrooms downstairs, this is what it looks like. That's a mirror. Yeah, and then the shower. Yeah, but the room upstairs, which I'll be showing you shortly, has a bathtub and that same shower, and then it has a rooftop view also. Let's go upstairs. Really a ranch. I love the artworks, and I also hear yes. This is what it looks like, and then a small wardrobe. Okay, and then the last thing, which is the balcony. So you can see, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really nice place though, really nice place. Yeah. Welcome back. So I hope you enjoyed all the views and the videos and everything. So here's all you need to know before carrying your bag and saying that you are going to Obudu Mountain Resort. First of all, it is very cold up there. It is actually very cold up there. Now we went in December, and according to our tour guide, this is literally like one of their hottest seasons. Yes, we wore sweater all through. To tell you how cold it is, there are no ACs in the rooms. That's how it, to me, it feels like it's sure for us say this place go cold. There are no ACs in the rooms, you guys. Like, there are only room warmers. I think you must have seen that in my mountain villa video, right? So that's to tell you how cold it is all year round. So make sure you arm yourself with sweaters, with socks, with head warmers, with mufflers, anything that you know is going to keep you warm. Arm yourself with them. Now, secondly, the only network that works there is MTN. Even that network server, like, but like MTN is the only network that works up there. So make sure you go with your MTN SIM. You hear me? Yes. Another thing is the people are very warm and friendly. The people are very, very warm and friendly. Like, random people just talked to us and said, oh, hope you're having a nice day. If you have any issues, let us know. I mean, like, it's just really lovely. Another thing that just came to my mind that you should not forget. So at the gates, at the gates, they're going to tell you to pay they're going to tell you to pay a gate fee. We were already very tired because apparently it turned out that we passed a very long road when we were going to the resort. So when we got to the gates, they told us to pay gate fee for each individual, and apart from that, we should pay gate fee for the car. See, who I'm telling you, people, when you go there, in fact, when we got to the resort, they told us that we didn't have to pay. When you get there, fight for it. Tell them you're not paying any money. Tell them you scatter the whole place. To be honest, the money was really pissing us off. Not because it was a lot, but it's just that we were really tired, so we did not have strength to fight. We just paid it and moved on. But you, if you are going and somebody stops you at the gate of the resort and tells you to pay gate fee, make sure you fight for your rights and tell them tell them you're not paying any gate fee. Another thing is when you are going to Obudu Mountain Resort, another thing. So the next thing is when you are going to Obudu Mountain Resort, make sure you go with a very rugged SUV. I mean, I'm not even saying car now, I'm saying a rugged SUV, because climbing up the mountain to the main resort, that is Upper Ranch, not every car can go through it, especially if it's a car that is not used to that kind of road. Now, we particularly, the driver that brought us had a Sienna. By the time we started going up the mountain, the car did not even make it. The car started overheating. The car actually started overheating. So I mean, God sent us a good Samaritan that took us up the ranch. I mean, so make sure if you are going, get a rugged car. But not to worry, I think they also make provisions for cars that can take you up the ranch in case the car you came with cannot go. So yeah. Okay, I think the final thing would be that at the resort itself, there are actually people that live there, like people, human beings that live there. And I really think that's very fascinating. It just gives it, for me though, that's more human feel, if you get what I'm saying. So apparently there are 6 villages there, and I even learned that there is one of those villages where the men speak a different language from the women. Can you imagine? We went around the 6 villages. Unfortunately, I didn't take pictures or videos when we were going through those places, but yeah, I think that is pretty much it. If there's any other thing I remember, I will definitely add it at the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and I wish you all a beautiful 2022. Mwah! Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a whole lot to me. Thank you and bye.